Okay. Day one. This is another wave. Oh, I love riding waves. Oh my god. All right. So yeah, I these dreams last night. Oh my god. I think it had something to do with contacting of the ex. Uh, I had those very strange dreams that affect your body, wake you up. You gotta go and pee, but you can't pee. I mean, at least not normally. And it was fucking all over the fucking all over the place. Uh, the last thing that woke me up like just now was it's in some place and I had some weird job. It was like being in Japan or somewhere. And I see my father-in-law and he's got this weird jellyfish on his face. It had like spikes coming around the mouth that look like hairs. And I'm like, what is that? And he's like, I need to see when you work. So, because I was going to work with him or do something. And walked into this other room and he just looked normal all of a sudden. But there was all this water on the floor. I was having to walk in there and I was barefooted. I was, reminiscent of some shit that happened. I got this thumb infection and had to get surgery, and I had done some shit for him way back years ago, and then was having to like pick up some logs that were sunk in the water, and my bandaged thumb all sewed the fuck up post surgery. Was getting this blood water. I think I need to be doing this. This is probably not the best thing to do. And I remember having that exact same feeling. But this thing that was on his face, I think it was his face. I would think people were wearing masks, but like I think I'm seeing like the aliens that people are. Or maybe that was it because I think that was it. He's like, what do you mean? What's on my face? There's nothing on my face. He didn't have nothing on his face then, but he looked like some sort of aquatic creature. Being a Navy guy and all that jazz. Maybe he is. Maybe that explains it. I don't know. I don't know. I only woke up 13 times from my dream being a kickstand myself. You heard me. I'm using that as my term. It's like, what's going on here? What's going on tonight? What's going on here? And every time I got up, I was like disoriented. It was like being drunk. And even now it feels like that. Like just fucking drunk, disoriented, fucking. These are the dreams of the New World Order.